He heals the sick. He feeds the hungry. He rains the dead. He gives me strength.
When I'm down in this valley, He's just there. When I drown, He lifts me. He puts me on the highest ground. When my soul cries to the Lord, He lets the comforter. All I need is trust Him and tell Him, oh my dearest friend. All I got abundant praise to the only sovereign God. And I shout with the praise that I have. He heals the sick, He feeds the hungry, Jehovah. He raises the dead and His life through and through. He gives me strength and more power flowing over. He is the wind, the light, and always is true. I'm secure, He's my rock, my anchor. When I sail in stormy seas, step back to Him, He will save. Like Peter, I cried, Dear Lord, He lets my master. All I need is trust Him and tell Him, oh my dearest friend. All I got abundant praise to the only sovereign God. And I shout with a praise that I have. He heals the sick, He feeds the hungry, Jehovah. He raises the dead and His life through and through. He gives me strength and more power flowing over. He is the way, the light, and always is true. He heals the sick, He feeds the hungry, Jehovah. He raises the dead and His life through and through. He gives me strength and more power flowing over. He is the way, the light, and always is true. He's on an island and must I come the storm and proclaim the peace. Elohim Elyon, majestic and His mighty second to none. Jehovah Jireh, so provider. El Shaddai, great and the mighty. Jehovah Rapha, Yahweh, sovereign God. He's on an island.